Alright, so today we didn't get here as early as I would like to, but we still got here. Today I got my sidekick JD. JD, say hi.
Hello.
She said hi. Alright, so last week I painted the engine bay. It doesn't look the best, and I think that side could have been done a lot better. At the time when I was painting it, it was in the sun and it looked pretty nice, like it was all shiny and stuff like this side. But now I realize I'm not too happy with it, but I can't really waste time. I want to get this motor in this car, so I think today what I'm gonna end up doing is getting everything ready off the vert. The vert's fine minus the top, but it runs and it drives great. It's super fun. So I'm gonna have to take that front end and put it on that car, and then can you pop the hood for me?
Yeah.
I'll start taking everything off this wiring harness on this car. Go ahead, pull that. Okay, so we popped the hood. I'm gonna get this out of here, start taking the wiring harness off, get the radiator, intake, shroud fan off, strut bar, disconnect the fuel lines, take off these fenders, the front bumper, and maybe the hood today. I'm not gonna pull the motor out today, so I might leave the hood on just so I can pull it tomorrow morning. Stupid cat scared the crap out of me. It was hiding under here. All right. JD turned her on, got her running nice. I think this is gonna be the last time that we see the vert on for the rest of the year. Maybe I'll probably get a engine on it next year.